Boost your credit score in 6 months. Real tips. Struggling with a low credit score? Want to see a significant improvement in just 6 months? You're in the right place. A low credit score can impact your ability to get approved for loans, rent an apartment, or secure a decent interest rate. But here's the good news. Your credit score isn't set in stone. Today we're diving into practical steps you can take to boost your credit score quickly and effectively. Before you even think about paying down debt or opening new credit cards, we need to lay the foundation, and that foundation starts with your credit report. This document is like your financial transcript. It holds a detailed record of your borrowing and repayment history. You can access your credit report for free once a year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So, head over to annualcreditreport.com and request your reports. Once you have them, grab your favorite highlighter and a fine-tooth comb because we're going on a scavenger hunt for errors. Look for any inaccuracies, inconsistencies, or accounts that aren't yours. Maybe there's a late payment that wasn't actually late, or perhaps an account you closed is still showing as open. These errors can drag down your credit score, and it's crucial to get them fixed ASAP. Each credit bureau has a process for filing disputes online or by mail. A clean and accurate credit report is the first step towards a higher credit score. All right, let's talk about credit utilization. This fancy term simply refers to how much of your available credit you're currently using. Credit utilization makes up a significant portion of your credit score. The lower your credit utilization, the better it is for your score. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30% and ideally below 10% if you can swing it. So how do you lower your credit utilization? Pay down those credit card balances. Start by creating a budget and identifying areas where you can cut back on expenses. Then, prioritize paying down your credit card debt with the highest interest rates first. Even small, consistent payments can make a big difference in the long run. Let's be real, nobody's perfect and we all forget things sometimes, but when it comes to your credit score, forgetting to make a payment on time can have serious consequences. Payment history is one of the most crucial factors that credit bureaus consider. Each on-time payment you make is like depositing a good Credit Karma point into your account. So how can you avoid those dreaded late payments? Set reminders. Use your phone's calendar, set up email alerts, or even stick a post-it note on your fridge. If possible, consider setting up automatic payments for your credit cards, loans, and utilities. This way you can relax knowing that your payments are being made on time. Even seemingly insignificant payments like utilities and rent can impact your credit score. You know that old credit card you haven't used in years? Don't be so quick to close it. Keeping old credit accounts open can actually benefit your credit score. The length of your credit history matters. Credit bureaus like to see a long and established track record of responsible credit use. Closing old accounts can shorten your credit history, which can potentially lower your score. For those old no-fee cards, consider keeping them open, even if you just use them for a small purchase once or twice a year. A longer credit history can work in your favor, showing lenders that you have experience managing credit over time. Let's face it, variety is the spice of life, and it's also important for a healthy credit mix. Credit mix refers to the different types of credit you have, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages. Having a diverse credit mix demonstrates to lenders that you can handle different types of credit responsibly. If your credit history primarily consists of credit cards, adding an installment loan to the mix can potentially boost your score. Just remember to borrow responsibly and only take on debt that you can comfortably repay. The goal here is to diversify your credit mix without overextending yourself financially. By following these steps, you can see a noticeable improvement in your credit score within just 6 months. Remember, a good credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities, from lower interest rates to greater borrowing power. Thanks for watching.